Bosch 20mm 1400W Professional Circular Saw, GKS 140. Key features: spindle lock, lightweight build, easy changing of saw blades, suitable for left-handers, cutting depth at 90° 67mm, cutting depth at 45° 48mm, infinitely variable setting for cutting depth. Specifications: 184mm blade diameter, 6200 revolutions per minute no load speed, 1400 W power input, tungsten carbide blade material. Specifications: 2.5 amp current, 20mm bore diameter, 385 x 260 x 280 mm, weighs 3.7 kg. Thanks for watching.